Just few minutes to undo hours of desk tension. A quick neck and shoulder routine that you can do anytime at your work. Let's begin the practice. Adjust yourself and come and sit in front of your chair, keeping your feet well grounded. Hands relax on your knees, shoulders relax, back straight, chin slightly down. Now gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to the normal breathing. As you breathe, feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. Taking few deep breaths. Relax and gently open your eyes. We begin with neck and shoulder release. For that, bring your hands in front. Elbows together, palms together. Your elbows are just in front of your chest, shoulders relaxed. Now slowly inhale, open your hands to the sides and to the shoulder, taking it slightly backward. Now exhale and slowly bring it back. Elbows together, palms together. Again, inhale, open your hands. Take it gently backward so that you feel the tightness on your upper back, shoulders, on your neck. Now release and exhale, bring the hands in front. Elbows and palms together. Again, inhale, open your hands and feel the natural expansion of your chest. Taking the hands slightly backward. Now exhale, relax, and bring the hands forward. Now bring the hands down. Stay here. We move towards the next. For that, inhale and bring the hands to the sides of the shoulder. Your elbows are soft and bent. Now as you exhale, gently fold forward, bringing the hands crossed and resting the palms over your shoulder. Now inhale, open your hands, taking your hands to the sides of your shoulder. Exhale, bring the hands back to your knee. We do this 2 more rounds. Inhale, take your hands to the sides, elbows bent. Now exhale, slightly fold forward, crossing the hands, your palm resting over the shoulder, head down. Now again inhale, open the hands, taking the hands to the side. Exhale and bring the hands down. Last one round. Inhale, hands to the side. Exhale, round your upper back. Head down, palm resting on the shoulder. Now inhale, open the hands to the sides of the shoulder. Exhale, rest back, hands on your knees. Close your eyes, relax here. Now we move your hands and your head along with the breath. So you can keep gazing at the tip of the middle finger for this. Your both hands on the knees. Chin down. Now slowly inhale and bring the hands in front of the chest, gazing at the tip of the middle finger. As you exhale, bend your elbow, take your hands towards the shoulder, resting on your shoulder. Your elbows are slightly up. Now inhale, come back. You're still gazing at the tip of the middle finger. Exhale, bring the hands down, head down, gazing at the tip of the middle finger. We repeat on the same right hand. Inhale, bring the hands in front. Exhale, bend your hand. Take it towards the left shoulder. Keep a gentle movement. Inhale, keep gazing and bring the hands back in front of the chest. Exhale, bring the hands down, head down. Last one down. On the right, inhale, bring the hands in front. Exhale, take the elbow bend and hands resting on the shoulder. Inhale, come back in front of the chest. Exhale, bring the hands down. We do the same on the other side. So you can keep gazing at the tip of the middle finger on your left. So inhale, bring the left hand in front of the chest. Now exhale, bend your elbow, take it to the right shoulder, elbows are slightly up. Keep a gentle movement on the neck. Now inhale, come back to middle. Exhale, bring the hands down, head down. Second round, starting from gazing at the tip of the middle finger. Inhale, bring the hands in front. Exhale, bend your elbow, take it towards the right shoulder. Inhale, come back in front of the chest. Exhale, bring the hands down, chin down. Last one round. Inhale, bring the hands in front. Exhale, bend your elbow, take it to the right shoulder. Feel the gentle twist on your neck. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bring the hands down. Relax here, closing your eyes. Now we move towards the next round to relax your shoulder and neck. For that, inhale, bring the hands to the sides of the shoulder. Now as you exhale, you bend forward, simultaneously taking your hands and resting over the lower back. Your head is aligned with the spine. Drop your shoulders. Now inhale, bring the hands to the sides. Slowly come up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Second round, inhale, hands to the sides of the shoulder. Exhale from your lower back, bend forward, take your both hands to the lower back. Head is aligned with your spine, drop your shoulders. Hands to the sides, inhale and come up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Last one round. Inhale, bring the hands to the sides of the shoulder. Now exhale, bend forward, simultaneously resting your hands on your lower back. Drop your shoulders. Bring the hands to the sides of the shoulder. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Hands resting back on your knees. Close your eyes. Observe your shoulders, your neck. How are you feeling after the practice? How the tension and neck has gone away after this quick practice. Bringing back your attention to the heart. Stay connected. Bring the palms together in front. Rub your both palms, make it warm. Apply the down portion of your palm over your eyes. Now, with a beautiful smile on your face, open your palm in front of you with a few blinks. Open your eyes and look at your palm. Namaste. Hope you have enjoyed the practice. Try this and get the benefit.